Here's interesting, very cool app called AI Dungeon. Infinite AI-driven adventures. It's it's in top charts for some apps, and you can just install it. And this is kind of like a pretty cool AI-powered role-play game. If you like to play board games and if you want a more advanced scenarios, and if you're really into board games, you can play text adventures with custom or present prompts, collaborate with AI, try popular AI models, create unique AI images during gameplay, build detailed worlds with customizable setups, invite friends to join your multiplayer games, share your content with community of players, discover other user-generated scenarios and adventures. So pretty cool app where you can just discover all of these things. Here you can just download it. You can allow notifications, and then you can see timeless classics, community favorites. You can just go in here and then just so here you can just see how many plays, when it was created, and then you can just try to play it and just load this adventure. And then you can create a character, or you can just do a quick start. So yeah, pretty cool app. And then you just basically can read this and then take a turn. You can continue or retry, and then just what do you do? What do you say? And then just continue playing this, and it's super addictive. So here you have it. And then you can also upgrade to premium, free users, and there are members. With members, you have unlimited premium AI, up to 4x faster AI speed, credits include as member bonus, etc. And then there is Mythic, Legend, and then there is Champion, and then Adventure, which is the cheapest one, which is like $10 per month. So yep, that's the idea. And then you can just play these games, you can have comments, and then you can have adventures. So yeah, pretty cool. You can also go to their library and discover all of this. So yeah, then you can just create an account with Google or Apple. So AI it's a great addition to this app, and you can of course become a creator yourself, where you can just just create all of these worlds and earn some basically following, and yeah, so pretty cool.